So finally, Anthropic has released one of the top frontier model over there, and the name of the model is Claude Opus 5. Basically, it is one of the best model and which competing with the top existing models such as FABlE as well as GPT 5.6 Soul. So let's dive into it. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's see some of the examples developed by some of the developers across the world using this FABlE Opus 5. You can see on your screen this car effect and the wind effect simulation was generated using this Opus 5, Cloudy Opus 5. Just by a single text prompt, it was capable to achieve this type of simulation effect where physics of wind interact with any type of object and the wind reflection works according to it. This is completely insane. A model which can control any type of physics simulation, wind effects. The assets which you are seeing on your screen, it is also completely generated using this Opus 5 model, and you can see the models are completely low poly and with a top like you can think about it like it is completely insane. It is a type of 7 wonders of the world, but yeah, it is completely insane. You can see this, the output of this is pretty much insane, and it was completely generated using just a text prompt, and the Opus 5 was capable to achieve this type of 3D models with a low poly architecture, and that makes this model completely powerful as compared to other existing model over there. And if we talk about one-person build entire game, you can see on your screen the name of the game is Rising the Cabin, and where you collect as it is a type of survival game with an open world feature where you collect a type of survive for like a fight with a type of, it is a type of survival game. You can see on your screen, build your shelter using trees, cutting the trees, and it is completely insane. Just by a single text prompt we get this type of output. Anyone can build a game easily, and you can see the physics, interaction, character control, animations, all was built using this Opus 5, which is completely insane. The like environment setup, you can see the trees, the surrounding effects also was built using this Opus 5. And if we talk about the benchmark, I will tell the benchmark about this model. And if you are facing any type of issue related to rate limit, if you have ever used the Opus 4.8 or FABlE models, the rate limit of a pro version is exhaust very much fast. But like earlier they launched the Sonnet 5 model, which was also one of the most efficient model and cheaper. So this model was also developed for cheap version of it, but with a better quality. Like compute cost will be less, like cost of per compute million tokens will be less as compared to Opus of other variants, which is completely insane because Anthropic is focusing on the budget optimization. So yeah, let's see some of the benchmark as compared to earlier versions and GPT 5.6 Soul, this model how it is performing. If we talk about the agentic terminal coding, this Opus 5 is performing 43.3, where FABlE 5 performs 33.7%, and GPT Soul it's performed 34.4%. When across agentic terminal coding, this model is completely insane. Knowledge work, it is also performing pretty well, and agentic search also it is performing dominating other existing model. And if we talk about the agentic coding, this model is at 68.8%, where the FABlE 5 is at 69.7%, and GPT 5.6 Soul is at 72.7%. As compared to other existing models, this benchmark is pretty much well, and with a less cost effective, this model is providing various features. You can see here, if you compare with the Sonnet 5, it cost around $2, Opus 5 cost around $5, and Opus 4.8 cost around $5. But yeah, it if you talk about the agentic coding as well as the benchmark, Opus 5 performs pretty well as compared to Opus 4.8. as well as a FABlE 5. It's just behind with a 1 or 2% gap. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe. See you next to the video. Bye bye and take care.